are the runners-up of Buhleni Zone, Kabana under 13. Bakawuleni ke siba award. Especially Ntanda kakhulu. Manje teacher ngathi kuso music wende njani. Bakawule bafana bami nibafundzise please. Nibafundzise, they should shake hands. Mba award, make sure you get a medal and a juice. Yeah, make sure you get a medal and a juice. Abone ke bafana bami, abone ke bafana bami. They are the runners-up. The runners-up of the Kabana Buhleni Zone. Ningahambi kakhulu bafana bami. Nibiye nje la eceleni kwami, nibiye nje la eceleni kwami sithatha a very good photo. Yeah, bese ke nebakuphethe. Yeah, ngeke ngikuthathe na make sure ukuthi kuba kuwe. Ukuphatha nako. Especially Ntanda kakhulu, they are the runners-up. Yeah, baba ke ma log streamers alandabeni ezimbezi. Lo shosta ndabeni ezimbezi baba number 1. Yeah, namhla ke bebadala ke nalaba number 1 etimbisini nalaba number 1 enzingeni. Lo waba number 1 emhlangatane. Baphumelele ke first match yabo. Hayi second match. Bahlangane nje nenkinga lodge. Bahlangane na lodge. Hayi problem nje inkinga nje umuntu. Yeah, bahlangane nenkinga lodge. Yeah, so they are the runners-up, especially Ntanda kakhulu. They are the runners-up. Yeah, I hope again. Yeah, especially Ntanda, they are the runners-up of the Buhleni Zone. Last week against Kotisagaho, they said for Jenny.